Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mubashir Sohail. I hope you all will be fine. Today in this video I will tell you how to set fingerprint lock on your WhatsApp. So keep watching the video. First open your WhatsApp and here in top right corner you can see three dots. Tap on setting. After setting tap on privacy and here you will scroll down. Tap on fingerprint lock and it turn on. Here you will give your fingerprint and after that here you can see automatically lock. Here you will set time to lock your WhatsApp. Here you can see immediately after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. I will select immediately option for my WhatsApp and now I am going to show you my WhatsApp has been locked with my fingerprint and here you can see my WhatsApp has been locked immediately. So friends, take care of you and your family. Allah Hafiz.